Do you have trouble sleeping? Are you always tossing and turning, unable to get a good night's rest? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with sleep problems. But what if there was a natural way to help you sleep better? What if you could use the power of music to drift off to sleep? That's what this video is all about. We're going to explore the science behind how music can help you sleep, and we'll give you some tips on how to choose the right music for your needs. So if you're ready to learn how to use music to sleep better, then let's get started. Music has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and sleep. In fact, there is a growing body of scientific evidence that suggests that music can actually help to improve sleep quality. One study, published in the journal Sleep, found that listening to relaxing music before bed can help to reduce the amount of time it takes to fall asleep. The study also found that music can help to improve sleep efficiency, which is the percentage of time spent in bed that is actually spent sleeping. Another study, published in the journal Nature, found that listening to music can help to reduce stress and anxiety, which can both interfere with sleep. The study found that music can lower heart rate, blood pressure, and muscle tension, all of which can contribute to a better night's sleep. So, what kind of music is best for sleep? There are a few things to keep in mind when choosing music for sleep. First, you want to choose music that is relaxing and calming. Avoid music that is too upbeat or energetic, as this can actually make it harder to fall asleep. Second, you want to choose music that has a slow tempo. A tempo of around 60 beats per minute is ideal for sleep. Third, you want to choose music that has a repetitive melody. This can help to lull you into a relaxed state and make it easier to fall asleep. Some good genres of music for sleep include classical music, nature sounds, and ambient music. You can also find specific playlists of sleep music on various streaming services. In addition to choosing the right music for sleep, you can also use binaural beats to help you drift off to sleep. Binaural beats are auditory tones that are played in each ear at slightly different frequencies. When these tones are played together, they create a third tone that is not audible, but can be felt in the brain. Binaural beats have been shown to have a number of benefits, including reducing stress, anxiety, and pain. They can also help to improve sleep quality. To use binaural beats for sleep, you can find a binaural beats track on a streaming service or download a binaural beats app. Once you have found a track, simply put on headphones and listen to the track before bed. In addition to choosing the right music and using binaural beats, there are a few other tips you can follow to use music to sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Get regular exercise, but not too close to bedtime. Music is a powerful tool that can be used to improve sleep quality. By following the tips in this video, you can use music to drift off to sleep, heal thy bits, and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, and didn't fall asleep, please like and comment on the video. And if you're looking for more tips on how to sleep better, feel better, and heal thy bits, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks again, and sleep well.